You can fit so many airs in this bad boy. So we had a customer ask, do you have a bracket that'll keep the factory AC from the 87 S10 up high? The simple answer is yes. We have an AC bracket that'll allow you to put your factory compressor from your 87 C10 up on the passenger side head. Now, I know normally it's on the driver's side factory, but with a lot of our brackets putting the alternator on the driver's side, we ended up having to put the AC on the passenger side. So rewriting hoses or maybe just new AC lines will fix that up for you, but yeah, we got what you need.